Valvoline MaxLife and Mobil 1 High Mileage are the two most common high-mileage synthetics guys reach for when their truck crosses 75 or 100,000 miles. And they're close enough in price that most owners pick one based on what they've always bought, rather than what their specific engine actually needs. If you've got a truck with more than 100,000 miles, and you want to know which of these two high-mileage oils is actually doing more for your engine, I've run them head-to-head, and the result in one specific category settles this comparison for most of the guys who are going to watch this video. I'll break it down across 4 rounds and give you my pick. Here's what these two oils are and what they're trying to do for high-mileage engines. Valvoline MaxLife Full Synthetic is Valvoline's high-mileage synthetic formula. It carries API-SP certification, contains seal conditioners designed to rejuvenate aging engine seals and gaskets, and includes an enhanced additive package calibrated for the wear patterns common in high-mileage engines. You'll find the 5-quart jug at Walmart for about $28 to $30 in 5W30 or 5W20. Mobil 1 High Mileage Full Synthetic is ExxonMobil's high-mileage offering, positioned for engines with 75,000 miles or more. It also contains seal conditioners, enhanced anti-wear chemistry, and a full API-SP certified additive package. You'll find it at Walmart for about $32 to $35 for a 5-quart jug, about $3 to $5 more per change than Valvoline MaxLife. Round 1 is wear protection for high-mileage engine conditions. Both oils carry API-SP certification, meaning both have passed the standardized engine sequence tests. Where they're specifically formulated for high-mileage conditions is in their enhanced anti-wear additive packages. Higher concentrations of ZDDP chemistry and friction modifiers to compensate for slightly looser bearing clearances and worn cam lobe surfaces in high-mileage engines. In my experience, opening high-mileage engines that ran both products, both leave the engine in reasonable condition at the end of the change interval under normal service. Mobil 1 High Mileage's base oil platform, shared with regular Mobil 1, gives it a slight edge in the cleanliness and additive depth department. But both oils adequately protect a properly maintained high-mileage engine. Mobil 1 takes round 1 narrowly. Score: Mobil 1 1, Valvoline 0. Round 2 is heat resistance. Mobil 1 High Mileage Full Synthetic has a flash point around 450 degrees Fahrenheit and NOAC volatility around 8 to 9%. Valvoline MaxLife Full Synthetic has a comparable flash point and NOAC in the 9 to 12% range. High-mileage engines often run slightly hotter than they did when new. Reduced cooling system efficiency, some oil passage restriction from accumulated deposits, and aging thermostats all contribute. Mobil 1's lower volatility means marginally more oil retained in the engine under high heat conditions. For a high-mileage Silverado or Ram towing in summer heat, Mobil 1 High Mileage maintains more protective mass in the engine at peak temperature. Mobil 1 takes round 2. Score: Mobil 1 2, Valvoline 0. Now here's where it gets interesting, because Valvoline MaxLife makes a strong case in rounds 3 and 4. Round 3 is seal conditioning performance, the most critical function of a high-mileage oil formula. This is the round that matters most to the guy with a 120,000-mile Ram 1500, who's starting to see a small oil spot under the truck in the morning and catching a whiff of burning oil occasionally. The seal conditioners in both Valvoline MaxLife and Mobil 1 High Mileage work by chemical interaction with the rubber seals, gaskets, and valve stem seals that have hardened, shrunk slightly, or lost their original pliability over years of heat cycling. In this specific function, the thing that actually makes a high-mileage oil different from standard synthetic, Valvoline MaxLife has a formulation that I've seen produce noticeably positive results in high-mileage engines showing minor seal degradation. Customers who switched to MaxLife and reported reduced oil spotting, reduced consumption, and reduced minor seepage is a pattern I've seen consistently enough to note it. Valvoline takes round 3 on seal conditioning effectiveness. Score: Mobil 1 2, Valvoline 1. Round 4 is oil life and value. Both oils carry comparable change interval ratings under normal service. Valvoline MaxLife is $3 to $5 less per change than Mobil 1 high mileage. Over 3 changes per year, that's $9 to $15 annually. For a guy on a fixed income watching his budget, 3 changes per year with Valvoline MaxLife saves $27 to $45 per year compared to Mobil 1 high mileage. With seal conditioning performance that matches or exceeds Mobil 1 in round 3, the value calculation favors Valvoline for most high-mileage truck owners. Valvoline takes round 4. Final score: Mobil 1 2, Valvoline 2. Here's where I break the tie. This comparison splits cleanly into 2 recommendations based on what your specific high-mileage engine is showing you. If your high-mileage truck has minor oil seepage at gasket surfaces, minor consumption, or visible minor seal degradation symptoms, I'm going with Valvoline MaxLife Full Synthetic. The seal conditioning performance is strong. The price is right at $28 to $30 at Walmart. And for a 150,000-mile truck that's showing its age around the seals, MaxLife is doing the most relevant work. Grab the 5W30 if your engine calls for it, 5W20 if that's what's on your oil cap. If your high-mileage truck is clean, no seepage, no consumption, well-maintained, just high mileage, I'd stay with Mobil 1 high mileage for its superior base oil quality and heat resistance. The extra $3 per change is worth it when seal conditioning isn't the priority, and you want the cleanest oil internals possible. I've got direct links to both Valvoline MaxLife and Mobil 1 high mileage in the description below, with the correct viscosities for common high mileage truck applications. Next time, I'm covering 3 signs that your synthetic oil is going bad earlier than you think. Symptoms you can check right now in 5 minutes without any tools. Take care of your engine. It's the only one you've got. I'll see you next time.